Well, a foundry consists of many individual machines. So if they don't connect, your foundry won't function. So it all depends on these well-managed interfaces. My name is Dirk van der Zande and I work here as a project engineer at Gemco, and part of my role is managing interfaces in our foundry projects. There are many different types of interfaces. It can be between machines, it can be between departments in the foundry logistics, or it can be between existing and new equipment in modernization projects. It can also just be between people and machines. For example, in the melting department, you have a furnace and you have a charge card that needs to load the furnace. So that's a connection, and also before that, the charge card needs to be loaded with scrap, with the magnet. And the magnet needs to fit to the right grain. But also, if you see the whole melting department together, it needs to have a good connection with the molding line. All these things are interfaces, and a foundry is a complex process of many individual machines, and they need to work together. So if one part doesn't align, or get delays or downtime, or just wouldn't work. We use 2D drawings, we use 3D models, and in existing buildings we can use a 3D scan of the whole building to make sure it fits. So it's actually just one big puzzle that we're trying to solve. What I like about the job that it's both technical and hands-on. That we're working with the layout drawings, with machine specs, but also the project coordination, like talking to the customer, talking to suppliers, and making everything aligned. And then in the end, when everything gets built and installed and everything fits, then that's very rewarding.